Today we're going to install this Injen technology short ram intake on this 2012 Honda Civic Si. Alright, so this car has already been modified to where it does not have the stock air piping. Everything is gone already. Alright, and the way we're going to do it is we're going to go ahead and slide this pipe the way it should go in here. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this negative and positive terminal. That way we have a little bit more access. Alright, and we'll start off by disconnecting the negative side, then the positive side. And we'll go ahead and remove the battery so we have a little bit more access to play with. And there it is. Sweet. Alright, and there it is. Slip right underneath this here. And I believe this is a battery bracket aftermarket. So the battery sticks out forward a little bit. Does not look stock, but that's how we'll receive this vehicle. And I'm just putting this intake back on. Just want to make a quick video, so let me go ahead and connect the coupler right there, and we'll connect the hose there. And actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and put this bypass hose, which will make it a lot easier for us if we just do it now. Alright, coolant bypass is installed. Let's go ahead and connect this directly to this now. Alright, and there it is, nice and secured. Now we'll go ahead and connect this here, and we'll move that over the hose clamp. Alright, there it is, nice and set. Let's go ahead and connect our mass airflow sensor. Alright, perfect. Now let's go ahead and throw on the battery, and we should be done. Alright, we'll put on the positive terminal, then the negative terminal next. So let's go ahead and secure both of those down. Alright, both terminals are nice and tight. I don't have a battery clamp for that one, but there it is. That is how you install that Injen technology short ram intake on this 2012 Honda Civic Si. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Alright, here we go. Nice. Sounds good. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.